How to fix blurry story on Facebook. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook app on your phone. Now you want to tap on menu that is on the bottom right corner. After that, you want to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, or you want to tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. Now here you need to scroll down and tap on media under the options of preferences. Now here under video quality, you have to make sure that optimized is selected. And other thing that you have to make sure is your internet or your mobile data is not slow. In other words, we can say that if your internet or data is slow and you post your Instagram story, your video and photo quality will automatically be blurry. So before posting any story on Facebook, make sure that your internet connection is strong. And that is how to fix blurry story on Facebook. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.